Video ni macam agak misleading lah. Okay, bukan semua cracking techniques or videos yang kita tengok kat social media tu boleh diibaratkan sebagai chiropractic treatment.
Mislabeling of chiropractic on internet or on social media has been a long-standing issue yang kita selalu nampak. Not everything, like Dr. Lina said, that anything that cracks, anything that moves is considered as chiropractic. Chiropractic ni is very safe, although some of the techniques you may seem familiar, dia bukan 100% true. Forces used in the video tu sangat excessive. If you really are curious about what chiropractic atau macam mana rawatan chiropractic ni really truly looks like, we recommend for you to give it a try with a licensed professional, licensed chiropractor, especially with KKM. We are a licensed chiropractors, so kalau berminat, please do come to our center.
Alright, so anybody who wants to see rawatan chiropractic truly is macam mana, you can come and visit us at My Spinal Family Chiropractic di SAC Mall Shah Alam. We'll see you guys soon.